Hi guys, it's Katie from Yarn Society. We're going to learn how to do an invisible decrease in amigurumi. This is a super helpful technique that helps make decreases less noticeable. So jumping right into our invisible decrease, you're going to place your hook underneath the front loop, which is the loop closest to you. And then you're going to place your hook underneath the next stitch, the front loop only. So going under both front loops, you're going to yarn over, pull the yarn through, going under those loops. And then you're going to yarn over and go through 2 loops on your hook. And that's your first invisible decrease. The one thing you want to remember when doing an invisible decrease is to keep your yarn on your hook pretty taut. You don't want to have it pulled loose because when you go to do your next invisible decrease, there will be a pretty visible gap. So keep the yarn close. So here, onto our next invisible decrease, we're going to go under the front loop of the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. And that's your second invisible decrease. I'm going to do 1 single crochet just to break it up a bit. And then I'll show you 1 more invisible decrease. So we're going to go under the front loop of 1 stitch, under the front loop of the next, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. So that's it, you guys. You have the invisible decrease. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more crochet alongs and crochet tutorials in the near future. Thanks.